Limonene can be obtained in highest concentrations from orange zest. It is often used in flavorings, fragrances, and cleaning products. Limonene can be extracted using halogenated solvents. It can also be extracted using steam distillation. Orange peels are placed in a boiling flask with water. The separatory funnel shown is not needed for this extraction. The boiling flask is connected to a water-jacketed condenser with a still head, which has a thermometer attached to monitor the temperature. The liquid will boil, the vapors containing the oil will condense and drip down where it is collected in the receiving flask. Any additional liquid that condenses can be removed with a rotary evaporator. For this reaction, you will be doing an extraction with carbon dioxide or dry ice. This method is environmentally friendly and fun. This method is possible with the unique properties of carbon dioxide. At about 40 degrees Celsius and high pressure, carbon dioxide reaches a critical point where it can exist as a liquid. We will achieve the high pressure by placing the dry ice in a sealed vessel, and the temperature will be reached with a warm water bath. The liquid CO2 will drip through the orange peels, extracting limonene as it passes through. A copper coil will hold a piece of filter paper, which should keep the zest out of the bottom of the tube. The zest will be added to the tube, followed by dry ice. The tube will then be placed in a warm water bath to perform the extraction. Grate some orange zest. Weigh out the grated zest. You will need about 1.5 grams. Turn on the hot tap water and let it run for a while to get hot. Collect the copper loop, a piece of filter paper, and a plastic centrifuge tube. Place the filter between the copper loop and insert it into the tube. Add the zest to the tube. There are different approaches to filling the tube. You can scoop it with a spatula and tap it down. You can add it with your fingers, or you can try to encourage it in with whey paper. When handling dry ice, be sure to use gloves. Obtain dry ice. Place it into the test tube. Try to add as much as possible without packing it too much. You can also alternately layer the rind and dry ice. Either method will work. Tighten the cap. Add the tube to the warm water bath. Close the hood, wait, and watch. While you are waiting, do not add more hot water to the bath. Although this video has been sped up, it took about 1 to 2 minutes for liquid to form and another few minutes for it to dissipate. Do not attempt to open the cap until all liquid is gone and no gas is seeping out. Repeat the extraction again to obtain more oil. If you do not notice liquid forming after 3 to 4 minutes, carefully uncap the tube, add more dry ice, or try to change the water bath water. Prepare an NMR sample and collect a carbon-13 NMR.